am Dr. Vikas Taneja, a pediatrician, a parent, and a part of the ITL family for the last 14 years. I know I've seen children facing these times with equal difficulty. 6 months of lockdown has affected children both socially, psychologically, as well as their studies. On the occasion of the Teachers' Day, I really feel proud and honored to say that our teachers are the real unsung heroes shaping the academics of our country. Being part of the ITL family, I have seen their commitment and dedication towards children education. This has been possible under the leadership and dynamism of our principal, Dr. Sudha Acharya, who has actually helped these teachers turn this adversity into an opportunity. My salute to all your efforts. My salute to all the teachers.
In current difficult times, when we were all struggling to hold ourselves together, you made sure that our children do not suffer. You not only adjusted your teaching to an online platform in a very brief time with no playbook to guide you, but you also ensured that not to compromise on individual attention and focus on every child's need in doing so. And all this while attending to your own families. This year, my respect to teachers, especially the ones at ITL, is much more well deserved than ever before. I can't thank you enough. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to congratulate the Principal Ma'am and all the teachers of ITL Public School. Dr. Sudha Acharya has been a guiding force not just for the teachers but the students and parents as well. And she has ensured, she has taken a number of steps to ensure mental well-being for everyone in the ITL family.
A very happy Teachers' Day to dear Principal Ma'am and all the teachers of ITL Public School. On this special day, I would like to thank and show my earnest gratitude to each one of you for helping, holding, guiding and grooming our children like your own. During this pandemic, the teachers have conducted the online classes seamlessly. They have taken extra effort, gone an extra mile and devoted extra hours to create the magic on the online platform. The focused effort of the Principal Ma'am are truly visionary, exemplary and student-centric. She has conducted so many webinars for the physical and mental wellness of the children. The team of ITL comes together and collaborates to weave a magic, and each work is a work of wonder. Hats off to all of you.
Namaskar. On this occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank our ITL teachers and Principal Sudha Acharya Ma'am. During this unprecedented COVID-19 times, no stone has been unturned by the teachers of ITL Public School in imparting the online education. Organization of consistent, continuous online classes on such a large scale is really commendable. And what we see is just the tip of the iceberg. A lot of effort has been put by the teachers behind the curtains. Under the versatile leadership of Principal Sudha Acharya Ma'am, numerous webinars have been conducted, both for the parents as well as for the children, and which actually aim not only towards the academics but also towards the mental health of the children. There have been various yoga activities, meditation activities, dance classes, creative classes, art and craft, which are actually giving a mental kick to the students and acting as a stress buster. Even challenges like plank challenge, photography competition, debate competitions have been kept for the children, keeping in mind the mental health of the children.
Under the skilled leadership and guidance of Ms. Sudha Acharya, the principal of the school, the teaching learning process of our kids are going on very smoothly in this time of global crisis also. I can understand the amount of difficulties a teacher must be facing in this era of global pandemic, but I am happy to share that all the teachers join our kit every morning with a pleasant smile on their faces just to encourage our kids.
Good morning, one and all. I hope you all are doing well and are safe. We all are going through turbulent times, significant changes in all aspects of our life. And this includes a very important aspect where the learning has changed from in-person to online. The incredible commitment that has been shown by our teaching fraternity from ITL Public School over past 6 months has been outstanding. We as parents are immensely thankful to all our teachers, our respected principal ma'am, for the kind of commitment that they have shown, and they are taking care of the mental as well as the physical well-being of our children. Dr. Sudha Acharya, our respected principal, has brought in so many interventions. I can name a few, starting with the support, developing the entire strategy for online education, ensuring that effective mechanisms are created so that parents-teachers interactions do not suffer because of online teaching. There is a change, a restructuring of examination patterns where we see more MCQ-based questions to check if the children have understood the concept or not. The concept of mind maps have been introduced for every concept that they are learning. I mean, it is really good. The kind of resources that have been built in terms of webinars, the physical and the mental well-being, the impact of this virus on our health, how new eating habits needs to be developed, how we should pursue our hobbies and encourage our children also.
We never lighted any candle for their services, nor did we clap for them from our balconies. Yes, I'm talking about our beloved teachers who kept unlocking passion even during the times of the lockdown, who kept reaching out to the students every morning when the students couldn't reach the school. You gave a ray of hope to all the students that everything is fine, everything will be okay. You kept the learning process going on by embracing the technology so very quickly. I deeply thank you, all the teachers of the ITL fraternity, respected Sudha ma'am, Ms. Charu ma'am, and every single teacher of ITL Public School.
मैं अरुंधति रॉय विश्वास ITL पब्लिक स्कूल के पेरेंट्स के तरफ से मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि इस पेंडेमिक में जहाँ सारे बच्चे भटके हुए हैं, ITL के बच्चे कहीं पर भी नहीं भटके हुए हैं. They are very much motivated, and this is possible only because of the guidance of Dr. Sudha Acharya and all the staff of the ITL Public School, जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहे हैं. एंड मेरा एक वार्म ग्रैटिट्यूड है डॉक्टर सुधा आचार्य के लिए एंड द स्टाफ ऑफ द ITL Public School. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, Dr. Gagandeep Kaur Gulati this side. I wish respected principal ma'am and all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day. I would like to congratulate you all for making so much efforts to make all this teaching learning process really successful during these days of pandemic. And especially the initiative taken by respected principal ma'am, because it's only under her leadership that I can see the complete faculty, the students are working, they're all working together so that it's a complete success. I would like to congratulate you all for all the steps that are being taken by the school, and again wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day. Bye bye. Thank you.